I'm westbound. People are polite. I use my blinker to get out. Come on, fella. Come on. It's okay. Obama, motherfucker. Ain't that 110? Shit, that's strange. Yeah, I'm talking about, aren't you? Little old lady with a head like this, she ride like one. I go, well, I'm trying to get over the bitch look at me like, nah, motherfucker. Gone. I was cool with that. I'm 50 years old. I feel every bit of it about people. When I got to Hollywood, it was a drastic change. No, I'm not gonna bash anybody. I don't do that shit. You've been enough of that shit. I'm married. I stopped at the stoplight. I kid you not. This dude was crossing the street. Not just any dude. Oh, you smiling at me like that? You like it? This dude was walking across the street, man, and the light turned yellow. He was like, no, that wasn't a problem. He stopped in front of my fucking car. Like I need to show. He stopped in front of my car and was like, hey, this shit. But you know what the coolest thing about it was? He was flamboyant. And he had fucking timing. He got to the corner before the light changed. I got my fucking car, got home for him. That was the business. You like rap music? I don't like that shit. I got 9 kids, okay? I'm gonna tell you a joke about rap music. It's a true story. I'm gonna give your fucking gift away. What'd you say? Well, I like big white men. I'm gonna give you 2.
Yeah.
My brother, what's happening, man?
How you doing, big dog?
Man. I'm still looking for somebody that's married, man. Come on, hard. This is fun shit. Don't y'all want to have fun? Yeah. Shut up. Y'all dating? That motherfucker need to go ahead and do some. That shit was priceless. Y'all dating, right? Motherfuckers cheating their ass off. Gotta give me a girlfriend. I'm married, y'all. I can't do that shit. I'm gonna come back to the Magic Trick though. Hey, did y'all see the movie 3000? Man? Oh, yeah. I was watching that, man, with my daughter. And I saw this guy. No, he wasn't a guy, he was a Spartan. Because they was like, damn, you know? If I was gay, I'd take 2 of them motherfuckers. My boy jumped into the air, man. Everybody, his head off. But he didn't stop like, that was my stuff. But he spun all the way around. And when he came back, his head wasn't even off, and he took his leg off. I was like, that's unnecessary fucking roughness. And I was looking at my daughter like, oh, daddy. I'm like, shut up. This is great shit. But I was telling my daughter, I was like, if I was in that movie, 300, these are real men, right? If I was in that movie, it wouldn't be called 300. It'd be called 299, because I'm not doing that shit. I'm scared. I have no fight left in me. I work for Disney. Look, my wife, man, she knows some wild I can say shit, huh? Ain't that Disney? Wish I. My wife was like, hey, Aaron Wesley. I was like, yeah. I ain't got no fucking money. I work for Disney. She said, no, we need to spice up our sex life. I was like, oh shit, you got my attention. We're not married. She said, what I want you to do is go to the Big 5 sporting goods store and get, you know, those beanies. You know the ones that come over here? You know what they call? Shit, you can tell that motherfucker from here. We gonna talk about that. So I went down there as fast as I could because I was excited. Hey man, let me get the ski mask, man. But make sure you give me home with the hole around the mouth, kids want to munch on something. I'm in bed, man, and I'm trying to do my window. It was kind of cool and brought back memories. And I was stepping in, I hit a speaker, something like this. But I had my mind on a pussy. Oh, come on, don't act like you ain't never heard that word. It's like candy, everybody want to try. Just a little taste. Somebody got his ass. Oh, I'm trying to work. Shit is funny. Anyway, I stepped on the speaker, but my mind was somewhere else. On the pussy. So I ran on back to the room. And when I came to the door, I kicked the fucking door in. Boom! Take your panties off and give me the pussy. I just got one of these too. I got one. Anyway, when I kicked the door and I threw down on him, and I told her to take her panties off and give me the pussy, she said, "Stop playing, Aaron. What you just left?" God, that shit quick, huh? You know what I find amazing, ladies and gentlemen? What I find amazing was the ride from Orange County to here. I saw some shit. Now, on Orange County Freeway 91 coming out of Fullerton, California. What, they let your ass in there? Yes, sir! Y'all really love your cat in your head. I gotta get my ass on stage, I'll lose my job, y'all. I appreciate the clap.
Right here.
You ever get too late? You got to work. Look, I'm gonna take a picture. I've got to go home and talk shit.
You're serious.
Don't get out of here. I know I ain't no fucking scout, right? I can't afford one. I'm gonna kick your ass tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Aaron Wesley, Royal Empire Entertainment.
Yo, Aaron.
Love y'all. Have a great day.